I'll show you how to change your display name and Activision ID in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So all you have to do is press the options button on your controller and go to settings. Then scroll down and select account and network. From here, select Activision account. And then from here you can see your Activision ID and you can see your Modern Warfare 3 display name. So select the change display name option, and then from here you can see your current name, and you can see your tokens remaining. So for now I have 2 tokens, so I can change it. So let's just change it. Once you change it, click on confirm, and your name will be and your display name will be changed. And as you can see, your name has been changed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.